In a previous video, we compared returns in the stock market versus real estate. And we found out that they were pretty similar. Depending on the article you looked at or how far back in time you wanted to go, they have a similar return. If you're interested, go back and watch that video. But for this video, I wanted to give a specific example that would help illustrate the returns in real estate versus the returns in the stock market. Let's get into it. So this is a different way at looking at the returns on both these investment styles. So over here in the stock market, we're investing $20,000, buys $20,000 worth of stocks, and we're going to say that it grows by 10% every year. Real estate, same thing. Investing $20,000, that actually ends up being the 5% down payment on a $400,000 property, and we're going to say that it appreciates at 10% annually. Let's get into our two examples. Over in the stock market, we invested $20,000 at 10%. It became $22,000 after a year. We subtract our initial investment, and we have a return of $2,000 after 1 year. Pretty good. Over in the real estate column, that $20,000 investment actually bought us an asset that was worth $400,000. After 1 year, that asset becomes worth $440,000. We subtract our purchase price, we subtract our initial investment, and we're left with a return of $20,000. That's pretty good and hard to beat. Like I said before, this is not an apples to apples comparison of these two investment types, but what it does do is it illustrates the principle of making a return on borrowed money, which is one of the best parts about real estate investments, that we can invest a small amount like $20,000 on a big purchase price like $400,000 and make a return on the $400,000 investment, not the $20,000 investment. So this is a short video and we probably left some things out. So if you've got some questions or want to talk about this further, feel free to reach out. Hope to talk to you soon.